When we get to the point that we're doing Microsoft Office related projects, this is going to be for Microsoft Word projects, Microsoft Excel projects, Microsoft PowerPoint projects. We're going to need to have access to a version of Microsoft 365 Pro Plus, or if you have Microsoft Office 2021 on your computer, you can use that as well. One of the things being a student at Rock Valley is that you can download Microsoft Office 365 Pro Plus on your computer for free. Now, there is one caveat around that. You need to be running Windows as an operating system or Mac OS. If you have a Chromebook, that's not going to work. In the event that you have a Chromebook, you're going to have to find some other type of computer available to you that would have the ability to either have this downloaded that you can use, or you're going to have to go to campus to work on your projects there. There are computers within the library. There are also computers that are in the WTC computer lab on the first floor of the WTC building. Either location would be a place that you can walk in, grab a computer that has Microsoft Office on it, and work on your projects there. In order to install Microsoft 365 Pro Plus on your computer, we're going to go through a couple steps here. And the first step is we need to access the Technology Services page on the Rock Valley website. There is a link here. I can go ahead and access this. If we scroll down on the page, down to the bottom portion, it's going to give you information about this Microsoft Office 365 Pro Plus version for your computers. Now, this is going to be something that you can use while you are a student at Rock Valley College. We can go ahead and how to get the Microsoft Office, and it's going to indicate to us that we need to go to the Office 365 portal. I'm going to go ahead and log in to the 365 portal. It's going to bring up the page where I need to sign in. I need to enter my Rock Valley College email account. If I'm already drilling in with some other account, that's probably not going to work. I need to pick my Rock Valley account, and then I should be logged in. If you automatically go there without a login screen, you want to make sure that you click on the picture or icon and ensure that you're using a Rock Valley College account. Once you do that, it usually takes a few for this to come up. You'll see this install and more. If you expand that, there is going to be the option to install Microsoft 365 apps. You would go ahead and click on that. It's going to work on allowing you to install it on up to 5 PCs or Mac tablets. You can go ahead and install the Office option here. It's going to copy this into your downloads. If you switch over, and you can look at it here, or you can just run it. I'm going to open it in my downloads folder and bring that folder over. You can see that I have the Office set up. I would double click on that and go through that whole entire process of accepting all the defaults and allowing it to make the changes to my computer. Once I have that completed, then I have the Office setup needed for when we get to those projects. And I believe it's the 4th week for this class that we would be doing the Microsoft Word project. If you have any questions on that, please let me know. I cannot go through the installation at this point because I already have Office on my computer. It's a purchased copy that I have for my home computer, and I don't want to mess it up by trying to install this as well. But if you have problems, please let me know, and I'll be more than willing to step through that process with you.